So I'm calling this luxury, deluxe, 5-star. We're making a potato salad today, a no mayo potato salad. It is really, really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So before we look at our actual spuds or potatoes, we're going to look at what else we're going to put in there. So each one of these is a cup. So I've got a cup of grated carrots, bell peppers, tomato, green onions, and cucumbers. Of course, you could be adding something else if you want. Half a cup of olive oil and a quarter cup of vinegar or lemon juice. Now, if you're going to use vinegar for a salad, I don't recommend using like a really harsh, horrible, straight white vinegar. You could use something like a date vinegar, an apple vinegar, a balsamic. This is actually a sugarcane vinegar, so it's not like super horrible. Do you know what I mean? It's really nice. And with olive oil, try and always buy the best you can. There's a lot of kind of funny old stuff on the market at the moment, I've noticed. Anyway, that's what we're going to be adding, plus a bit of salt and pepper. Let's have a look at our potatoes. And there's our potatoes. I've just boiled those. You can see they're still steaming. Peeled them, cut them into kind of that size, as you can see. Cut them bigger or smaller if you want. A little bit of salt, so they're just nice and tender. I'm going to let them cool down a little bit. Okay, so large mixing bowl, there's the potatoes. Let's start adding. We've got a cup here of a carrot, a cup of tomato, a cup of cucumber, a cup of green onions, a cup of bell peppers, and like I say, you can add anything else that you want. We're then gonna go with a quarter cup of the vinegar, the sugarcane vinegar that is, it's quite nice, and then half a cup of olive oil. We're going to add a little bit of salt and some black pepper. And then there's just 2 more things I'd like to add that I didn't show you. So here I've got a tablespoon or so of fresh mint and parsley, or any other fresh herb that you might want to stick in there. Right, I'm going to give that a mix. I'll be back in a moment. And that is an absolute winner. Beautiful. Really love that one. And there you go. So easy, beautiful, no mayo, deluxe. I'm calling it deluxe or luxury. How about that? Potato salad. I really enjoy that. Stick that on the table at a buffet or something like that, or a barbecue. That's going to go down really well, I tell you. Keep safe, keep well. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, and hit the bell icon. I think you get notifications if that happens. See you soon. Lots of love.